Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best rolling tray set is probably one of the most essential accessories for any cannabis enthusiast looking to elevate their smoking experience, offering a dedicated and organized space for all your rolling needs, from grinding herbs to packing joints, ensuring a clean and efficient process every time you indulge. Number 5. Subtle Rolling Tray Stash Box, Large Bamboo Box. Finally, a solution to store all your essential items. Our boxes are thoughtfully crafted with ample storage space, accommodating all your accessories discreetly in one location. Uniquely tailored to function as both a stash box and a rolling tray, our design offers versatility. Effortlessly flip the lid, placing it atop the box to create a seamless rolling surface. Inside the box, you'll find a removable middle divider designed for easy organization. Attach the divider to establish two distinct compartments or remove it to expand the overall storage space. Each box is equipped with 8 miniature magnets, ensuring a secure seal around the lid. These magnets maintain a snug closure while allowing for effortless box access. Crafted from high-quality, durable bamboo, this box embodies resilience and portability. Designed with discretion in mind, it resists odors and remains a discreet storage option. An ideal gift for herbal enthusiasts. This box is not only functional but also stylish and discreet. What we like. This one offers exceptional storage capacity, keeping all your essentials organized in one place. The lid cleverly doubles as a rolling tray, making it incredibly versatile. If you're looking for a discreet, all-in-one solution that keeps your accessories tidy and accessible, this is the one for you. What people say. The rolling tray is a good size and has a nice weight to it. The accessories that come with the tray are very useful and well made. The design of the tray is sleek and modern, and it looks great on my coffee table. Number 4. Raw Matte Black Murdered Cigarette Rolling Tray. Introducing our elegant and sleek rolling tray. Its matte black finish offers a sophisticated look that complements any style. Experience a touch of class with its minimalist design. Crafted from strong, durable metal, this tray is built to last. Its robust design ensures reliability for all your rolling needs. Enjoy a product that combines both strength and style. Designed with your comfort in mind, it features smooth rounded edges. This ensures a pleasant experience during use. Handling your materials has never been so comfortable. Each tray includes a convenient scoop card. This makes handling and distributing your materials easier than ever. Achieve precision and ease with this thoughtful addition. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel or storage. The high rounded corners provide comfort and accessibility wherever you go. Take it with you on the go with ease. Measuring at L 10.8 inch x W 6.8 x H1, it's the ideal size for convenience. This functional piece fits seamlessly into your routine. It's designed for practicality and everyday use. What we like. This tray boasts a sleek, matte black design that's both elegant and functional. Its durable metal construction and rounded edges ensure a comfortable experience. If you appreciate minimalist style and need a reliable, travel-friendly tray with a bonus accessory, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The tray is large enough to hold all your smoking accessories. It comes with a grinder, rolling papers, and a stash box, making it a complete set. The rolling tray is made of durable metal and is easy to clean. Number 3. Treehouse Rolling Tray Set with Magnetic Lid. This rolling tray features a soft, magnetic lid that securely seals for convenient storage. It's perfect for keeping your items safe at home or taking them with you on the go. Crafted from durable yet lightweight metal, this tray is built to last. Its sturdy design and smooth, curved edges ensure a great experience for a long time. Measuring 7 x 5.5, it's designed for portability. Easily slip it into your bag for travel, keeping your essentials discreet and accessible wherever you are. For added convenience, a matching ashtray is included in this set. It complements the tray's design and quality, enhancing your overall experience. Your satisfaction is our priority. If you're not happy with your purchase, we offer a full refund, no questions asked. What we like. This cute pink set comes with a secure magnetic lid, perfect for on-the-go use and storage. It also includes a matching ashtray for added convenience. If you're looking for a portable, stylish, and complete rolling experience, especially if you like a pop of color, this set is ideal. What people say. The rolling tray is a good size and has a nice weight to it. It comes with all the accessories you need, including a grinder, rolling papers, and a cleaning brush. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great on my coffee table. Number 2. Large bamboo storage box with removable tray kit. Discover our latest innovation in storage solutions. This set includes a large bamboo box, glass jars, and a wood rolling tray, designed for organized and safe keeping of your items. This complete kit is perfect for enthusiasts of all levels. It provides everything necessary for a clean and enjoyable experience, offering the ultimate in herbal aromatherapy storage. Meticulously crafted by artisans, this durable piece is more than just functional. It's an elegant addition to any room, perfect for both social gatherings and personal relaxation. Say goodbye to clutter with our customizable compartments. This box makes storage easy and tidy, keeping your belongings secure and organized. The lockable design ensures your items are kept safe from unauthorized access. Enjoy peace of mind with this secure and stylish storage solution. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set is an ideal present for friends and family, offering both practicality and style. It's the perfect box set and the perfect gift. We are confident you'll love this product. If not, enjoy our 6-month satisfaction guarantee. Your happiness is our priority, no questions asked. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit designed for the ultimate enthusiast, featuring a lockable bamboo box for secure storage. It includes jars and other accessories for a mess-free experience. If you desire a high-end, organized, and decorative storage solution that keeps your goods safe, this is the perfect gift or personal upgrade. What people say. The tray is a good size and has a nice weight to it. It comes with all the accessories you need, and they are all good quality. The rolling tray is very sturdy and well made. Number 1. CHEEMAR 6-pack rolling tray set. Introducing the CHEEMAR 6-pack rolling tray set, designed for your everyday needs. This complete kit offers everything you see in the product photos. Crafted with a sleek blue finish, this quality rolling tray is built for durability and everyday use. Its stylish design complements any setting. Included is a matching 110mm rolling machine in blue, adding extra convenience to your routine. It ensures a smooth and easy rolling experience. Measuring 7.8 inches by 5.7 inches, it's lightweight and portable. This makes it the ideal companion for when you're on the go. We are committed to providing you with a high-quality product. Enjoy peace of mind with our reliable rolling tray set. Should you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to respond promptly and assist you. What we like. This is a fantastic value pack, offering a complete 6-piece set that includes a roller for added convenience. The durable blue tray is perfect for everyday use and is very portable. If you're looking for an affordable, all-inclusive rolling solution that's ready for action anytime, anywhere, this kit is a great pick. What people say. The rolling tray has a smooth finish and is easy to clean. It comes with multiple compartments that are perfect for organizing your smoking accessories. The lid fits snugly, keeping everything contained and preventing spills. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.